The earlier the better, so they say. Welcome to Tololicious Kitchen. What I brought for you today are the ways to make your birthday, Christmas day, get-together party a stress-free day. Yes, let's get it started. What you can see in this nylon bag here are the proteins I'll be using for Christmas already. I've ordered them, and for me to make that day a stress-free day for me, I have started preparation as earlier as possible. Everything you can see in this nylon that I'm bringing out are all beef. That is the first nylon. I'm bringing beef out. This is how they pack them. They pack them in 5 kilogram, and you need to place your order as early as possible, especially during festive period, because orders will be much, and for you to get good ones, it is good to place your order as early as possible. So in the second nylon, as this the first one we're still looking at, I have some of the pomo in there. That is cow skin. These are smoked cow skin. Yes, the second nylon is what I've just brought to the camera now. They are loaded with cow skin, which we call pomo, and part of them are also cow leg. Let me show you how the cow skin looks. Can you see it? This is how they come. Yeah, they are big, they're already smoked, and it takes time to also get them clean. So it's very, very important to do all this earlier, not on Christmas Day. You start to do all this, you will be exhausted, and for you to avoid all that, get your proteins down, and I'm going to show you how you're going to get them prepared. So what I have here is cow tongue. Yes, we have cow tongues there. We have shaki tripe. So those are everything I ordered. This is how I take my time to do them one after the other. What I'm doing now is the beef. I cut them to my shape and sizes, and I make sure that I rinse them about 5 to 6 times. They'll be free from blood. They'll be very clean and ready for cooking. After that, I also wash the cow legs. That's babankano. Yes, bokoto. They are already cut. I always tell them, please cut them for me, and I also wash them one after the other. What you can see here are the cow skin. This is where the work lies. This takes time because they have this black things on them that dominates your soup if they are not well washed. I always use this brush to wash them one after the other until they become very clean and ready. Look at the well-washed cow tongues, cut as well, and shaki is also well washed. Look at how the cow skin, everything is shining. They are now ready to be packed. Get your nylon. That's how I always pack them. You can see they are ready. I pick them like 10, 15, 20, 20. I make sure I share them equally, and they'll be kept in a freezer.